Right, I'm going to flip this assembly backwards, unclip the scuttle panel motors in there. It looks like your cam is sticking out at, looks like 10 o'clock from the back here, and then bringing that bar up to the bottom arm, which is down at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock perhaps. There, can you see it? I don't know if you can get in. And that bar's going across to this one, which is coming down at about 7 o'clock. So if we flip this off, hold on a sec, I'll have to unclip. I'm going to try and flip this over. I'm just going to try and just flip it straight on its back, if you can see before I disturb anything. So you can pause the video and get your angles if you want. I think this is right. It seems to work that way. Because if the arm was the rotor arm now was to start to turn, it would bring the wipers up as that bar goes across to the left of the screen. The same would happen to that one. That'll push, that's going to bring that up, that's going to go down. So I would say that's how it's set. Now I'll do some still shots. Okay, continue to peel back without, I'm losing it. I was trying to do it without disturbing anything. Still shooting back. Hold on, just hold on a sec. It's got to be the right. That's got to be right that way. Look at the arm. Look at the motor now. The motor's going to go anti-clockwise, I think. Would it work if it went clockwise? Depending on which way that motor turns. If it goes clockwise, it's going to pull the bar. Either way that turns, that's going to pull that bar, the position it's in at the moment. It would go either way. If it went anti-clockwise, it would. It's at the extreme of its left to right turn anyway, so it would pull them. I don't think it'd make any difference if it's going backwards or forwards. It's just the park position would be different. So I don't think it matters which way round it goes. It's pushed the furthest to the extremity to my right. It can only go left now. There isn't anywhere that bar, that's the radius, can go. So whatever happens, whichever way the motor turns, it will pull that bar to the left, which causes the wipers to go up the screen. So I would say that's how it is, although I'm not 100% sure. I've just mocked this up for Stephen. Okay, I hope this helps. Wiper assembly. End of video for wiper assembly. Mark III Cortina scuttle panel also presumably would work for Mark IV and 5. End of update. I'm just going to continue the video and flip it back into position. Drop it back into position. So look, we're up against there. There's your scuttle in. Just move that wedge. I've used a bottle to wedge it. Okay, here's the motor. Currently parked. If you're looking at the front of the motor, with the electrical connectors, the 3-blade electrical connector to the left, that's looking at the front. The motor, looking at the front, is parked at 9 o'clock. If you look at it from the rear, obviously 3 o'clock. So the arm is parked at 9 o'clock, which keeps the bar into its position here. The wipers would be going across this way. It's going to pull the wipers up that way. So this now goes into position. There's the locating tab. Into the locating tab, look. So there we have it. I can't see why that wouldn't operate the wipers. They're both going to pull up. Okay, hope that helps. That's the end of the video.